This is a super pretty new apartment. It's in the Colony area. It's called the Ansel. And this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. I mean, imagine this apartment is your apartment. It's just a gorgeous new apartment. It's full of white, full of light, full of bright. It's really big. You could have so many people over here. It's just a stunning apartment. It's got a huge island to entertain. You could have so many people over here entertaining. You've got a desk area here. You can have your beloved pet right there. You've got plenty of seating in over here, and then you've got this just gorgeous window area with so much light. It just feels delightful. And the best news is, oh, and it does have two beautiful large bedrooms. The bedrooms are very nicely separated. It feels much like a home, but it's being all maintained by somebody else, and you're just maintenance free and enjoying the fun life here at the Ansel. So this is this could be your perfect apartment. What I might recommend you to do is, if you like what you're seeing, send me a text. We'll set up a virtual tour for you. It'll be a free virtual tour for you. We'll take care of 100%, and you'll get a live tour virtually of this beautiful apartment and of the amenities. Send that text to me right now. My number is below.